Introducing PhantomStrike, a powerful red team recon and attack framework for ethical hackers. In just one run, PhantomStrike scans networks, decodes JWTs, fuzzes for SSRF, detects cloud misconfigs, and more across 15 automated attack phases. From finding open pores to uncovering hidden API keys in JavaScript and even testing weak JWT algorithms, this tool does it all. To get started, clone the repo, install requirements, and run it with your target domain. Perfect for red teamers, bug bounty hunters, or CTF champs. PhantomStrike, from surface to shadows. Download now and strike ethically. PhantomStrike is intended for ethical use only. Always ensure you have proper authorization before testing any system. PhantomStrike scans for real-world risks like SSRF, XSS, open redirects, and misconfigured cloud assets all in one go.